Hi, my name is Daniel Gunawan. I look after cloud infrastructure and engineering in Accenture Southeast Asia. And this is my hot take on cloud. In the last decade, cloud has evolved so much because the hyperscaler has set up cloud and make it available to the masses. But if we look at the last 2 years, cloud has evolved so fast because we all need to be on the cloud. The pandemic has forced us to connect with our workplace by video conference. Our kids need to connect to their school by video conference. We need to connect to our family that we cannot see during the pandemics by video conferences. And all of them are available through the cloud. Our client and businesses is now looking at how they should start their journey into the cloud. It's no longer about whether they should. It's now a must for them. The consumer preference has changed. Consumer wants to have access 24/7. They want to be able to buy products online at any hours of the day. So all the traditional businesses need to go digital. And to be able to support the consumer needs, our client needs to make sure that their business are available 24/7 and cloud enable them to do that. Accenture actually has released Tech Vision 2022. And this is a new trend that we are seeing where the physical world and the virtual world is actually blurring. If we look at Web3 and Metaverse, everyone is basically can be connected in the virtual world. This is impossible if we don't have cloud, right? Because everyone can be anywhere connecting to, via their mobile phone or VR headset. And this is only can be enabled by the power of the cloud. A lot of businesses are looking at how can I use cloud as a data center, which I think is a wrong mindset. Because using it as a data center, yes, you might be able to actually save some costs. But the power of the cloud is in elasticity. I remember 10 years ago when I was still working on a traditional data center, it took us 3 months to just set up that data center before the team that actually start building the code can start. Today, I can actually start the same day. I can spin off a new environment in the cloud within minutes or hours. Now that's the power of the cloud that I think businesses need to start looking at. To fully leverage the power of the cloud, you should understand your business landscape, your application landscape very well. So in Accenture, we typically start with the discovery phase where we analyze the client landscape and understand their applications and come up with an analysis whether you should be retiring those applications, rehosting the application, retaining the application, and in this case, whether you should be replatforming, replacing, or in some cases, maybe reimagining something new. So for client that wants to leapfrog using the cloud, they should look at cloud not only as a data center, but a way for them to generate a new business opportunity. Accenture actually partners with all the key cloud providers and also startups and small providers to bring the right technology to our client. There is a perception that you need to be technical to start a career in the cloud. In fact, you don't have to. You don't need to have a 20 years experience or technical degree. The curiosity to constantly learning something new is important. I would suggest for anyone who wants to start a career in the cloud to look up certifications. There are many certifications that are available out there from our cloud providers that start at the basic all the way to advanced. I talk about the end-to-end spectrum that Accenture brings to our client when it comes to the cloud, from our strategy, consulting, interactive, operations, and technology. Each one of those bring a different value to our client. The cloud strategy, the cloud consulting. So there are something for everyone in the cloud space. And you don't need to have a technical background to join my team. Because in Accenture, we provide the right training and upskilling for everyone that join. Thank you for joining me on my hot take on cloud. I hope to see you in the office one day.